Hello, my dears, and welcome back to Spa Marketing School, your weekly business booster. Now, I have been spending a lot of time talking about AI and how spa owners can use it to cut operational cost and to save time. And I believe this is absolutely crucial because when you are able to do both of those things, you actually can spend more time focusing on your clients, building relationships with them, over delivering. That is going to help you to stand out in the crowd. Now, today we're going to dive into inventory in AI. And this is one of the most overlooked areas in spa where I see spa owners losing money every single month. I'm not talking about strategic ordering, I'm talking about inventory management. So today I'm going to walk you through how AI can help you manage your inventory smarter, reduce waste, and optimize what's on your shelves. And I'll even give you a ChatGPT prompt that you can use today to build your own inventory system strategy. Now, inventory is one of those hidden leaks in your business. And over ordering to take advantage of a deal is appealing. It can feel like you're making a really smart business move. But it also can keep cash tied up on your shelves, cash that could go towards marketing or payroll or even in your pocket. And I end up seeing far too many spa owners running flash sales because they have these expensive products on their shelves that are going to expire. That's money down the drain. And that is what we want to avoid. Smart inventory equals consistent service and follow-up with leaner operations. So let's take a look at 3 ways that AI can help you streamline your inventory. Now, keep in mind, the booking software that you're using may have some of these features incorporated already. They're going to continue to be rolled out. You just have to know how to use them, okay? Now, if not, you can simply export some of your reports and feed them into ChatGPT with a couple of smart prompts. All right, so let's look at number 1. We're going to talk about predictive restocking. Now, AI analyzes usage patterns like how often treatments are booked and what products are being used. And it's going to predict when you are going to run low. You'll get reorder suggestions before you hit panic mode. You can also feed AI usage reports over the past year to help you set your PARs for each month, because your PARs are not going to be the same in January as they are in June. Number 2 is provider-specific trends. Now, AI can spot if one provider uses significantly more product than others, and this can flag potential training gaps or inconsistency in service delivery. Now, this is only going to work if you have one provider assigned to one room and you're having them sign out back bar each time they are restocking. All right, number 3 is expiration date and shelf life management. Now, AI can keep tabs on expiration timelines and alert you before products go bad, which is going to help you minimize waste and maximize use. Now, regardless of the spa booking software that you're using, Google Sheets and ChatGPT can create a great inventory tracking system for you. So let me just read you a prompt to get you started, okay? And we'll include this for you as well. Act as an inventory optimization consultant for a day spa. Based on the following treatments and product usage per service, create a simple AI-assisted inventory tracking system that predicts when I need to restock. Include columns for treatment type, products used, quantity used per treatment, average monthly treatment volume, and reorder threshold. Then suggest how I can automate alerts using free tools like Google Sheets. Now, you want to fill in your service menu and average monthly volume, and ChatGPT will give you the basic system that you can start using this week. Now, we're going to have that prompt in the comment section, so be sure to just copy and paste it, easy as pie right there. Now, this is a small shift that can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars over the course of a year. And it's one more way that you can start thinking like a spa CEO, optimizing, tracking, and leading with strategy. Now, if you found this episode helpful, take a screenshot, tag me on social with your biggest takeaway, send me a DM. And if you use that ChatGPT prompt, let me know what you build. I would love to see it. All right, I will catch you next week on a new episode.